Okay, quick follow-up on our chart we sent out on Sunday night. It was for GG. Here's the page that we sent out, showing you the volume, the gap up, the sideways, action, and then we switched to the hourly. Kind of had a pennant there that looked like it was going to break out to the upside. Um, and now I'm going to switch to today's. Well, here's the daily. You can see what happened today. It gapped all the way down to here. And I can switch to the 60-minute chart and show you where it opened today. So remember, we had our pennant right here. There was your lines. Well, it opened down here, so that became just a non-event. Took it off my streamer before the day even started. Didn't do anything with it. So just because we identify a situation doesn't necessarily mean we're going to trade it. We wanted to meet our parameters during the intraday trading. Sorry about that. So basically had one call all morning because the market gapped down and sold. See this base here? These are 5-minute candles on WFT. Had this 5-minute base here. So the reason we really liked it, if you go out 5 days, I'll use 30-minute candles. You can see it had run up really nicely for 5 days, gapped all the way down to here for the open. And that wasn't enough for us to trade it. But to the left here, it doesn't really have any consolidation. It's got a little bit here, but otherwise it had room to roll over. Again, that's not enough of a reason to try to short it. But then when it formed this tight base with fives, then it became a reason because below 1086, it hit the low of, it hit 1085 right here. So you draw your line, picture a line at the bottom there, and it didn't go below it for, it looks like about an hour here. And so then the market was weak, so we called it as a short. Somewhere around here when we saw it getting ready to go back below 1085, we said we would short it at 1084. Our stop will go above this at 1104 right here. So that's the reason. It had room on the 5-day to fall. It had a room on the daily to fall, and it had a very tight stop. And it was in the direction of the market too. So everything fell in line here. So we called this short 1084. Went all the way down to 996 for almost $1 a share profit potential on 20-cent risk. And again, that's the hallmark of everything we do is these 20-cent risk opportunities that line up with everything in our favor. So there you go. That's our wrap up from our GG call and basically our highlight from today. Have a good night.